Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6, 2025, and we're diving into STERIS's latest earnings report for the fiscal 2026 second quarter. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. STERIS, a leader in infection prevention and healthcare solutions, has just released their Q2 2026 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. STERIS reported a total revenue of $1.5 billion for the second quarter, marking a 10% increase year over year. John, how does this align with market expectations?
STERIS has indeed exceeded expectations. The revenue growth is impressive, driven by a 9% constant currency organic revenue increase. Their adjusted EPS came in at 247 cents, beating the forecast of 238 from 3 analysts. This indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management.
And what about their net income?
The net income from continuing operations was $191.9 million, up from $150.2 million in the same quarter last year. This growth is a testament to their improved margins and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. STERIS's segment performance also seems noteworthy. Can you break down the results for us?
Absolutely. The healthcare segment saw a 9% revenue increase to $1.3 billion, with significant contributions from service and consumable revenues. Applied Sterilization Technologies, or AST, grew by 10%, and Life Sciences reported a 13% increase. These gains were primarily due to improved volume and pricing strategies.
It sounds like their strategic initiatives are paying off.
Indeed, the company has effectively leveraged its restructuring efforts and productivity improvements, which have bolstered their operating income across all segments.
Cash flow and financial outlook. Moving on to cash flow, STERIS reported a free cash flow of $527.7 million for the first half of fiscal 2026. What factors contributed to this?
The increase in free cash flow was primarily driven by growth in earnings and improvements in working capital. This positions STERIS well for future investments and shareholder returns.
And what about their financial outlook for the rest of the fiscal year?
STERIS has raised its fiscal 2026 outlook, expecting revenue growth of 8 to 9% and adjusted EPS between $10.15 and $10.30. This reflects their confidence in overcoming headwinds like tariffs and inflation.
CEO insights and market position. John, what insights did STERIS's CEO, Dan Carestio, share about their performance and market position?
Dan Carestio expressed satisfaction with their Q2 performance, noting that it exceeded expectations despite several headwinds. STERIS continues to hold a strong position in the infection prevention market, focusing on innovation and operational efficiency to drive growth.
What challenges do they foresee?
While they are optimistic, challenges such as tariffs and inflation remain. However, their strategic initiatives seem well aligned to mitigate these risks.
Key takeaways. In summary, STERIS has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2026 with significant revenue growth and an impressive adjusted EPS that beat forecasts. Their strategic focus on innovation and efficiency is clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on STERIS as an investment?
STERIS is well positioned for continued growth, making it an attractive option for investors looking for stability and potential upside in the healthcare sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on STERIS's performance in the comments below.